Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 290L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low roof limited van body, black, panel van mileage, 162682 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Turbo needs replacing, very easy fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on